Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Fubo TV on your Samsung television. For that, open the App Store and search for Fubo TV. Unfortunately, Fubo TV is not available in Samsung store. So for that, one way you can use Fubo TV is press your home button, go to your internet and search Fubo TV. Here you go. Just enter to the web browse. As my location doesn't support the Fubo TV, so if your location support Fubo TV, so just go to your internet and search Fubo TV, and you can access all the contents from Fubo TV. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.